To test Authorize Net Accept.js. Start by understanding what Accept.js is. Accept.js is a JavaScript library provided by Authorize Net that allows merchants to collect sensitive payment information from customers without having the information touch their servers. This reduces the merchant's PCI DSS compliance burden. The first step in testing Accept.js is to create a test account with Authorize Net. This will give you access to the Authorize Net sandbox environment where you can test your integration without actually processing any payments. Next, you need to include the Accept.js library in your web page. This is typically done by adding a script tag to the head of your HTML document that points to the Accept.js library. After including the library, you need to create a payment form that will collect the customer's payment information. This form should include fields for the customer's card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have created the payment form, you need to use the Accept.js library to tokenize the customer's payment information. Tokenization is the process of replacing sensitive payment information with a unique token that can be used to process payments without exposing the actual payment information. To tokenize the payment information, you will need to call the Accept.js getToken method and pass in the payment form data. This method will return a token that you can then use to process a payment. To test the tokenization process, you can use the Authorize Net sandbox environment to create a test payment. Simply call the Authorize Net create transaction method and pass in the token and the payment amount. Best practices for testing Accept.js include using the sandbox environment to test your integration before going live, and using a variety of test cases to ensure that your integration works correctly in different scenarios. You should also make sure to handle any errors that may occur during the tokenization or payment processing steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Accept.js integration is working correctly and that you are able to securely collect payment information from your customers.